start making this super tasty, super easy recipe. For this I have taken here 3 raw mangoes and I'm going to pressure cook it with 1 cup of water till 3 whistles. You might have seen many videos in YouTube for this recipe, but this is the super tasty recipe which I have shared. Please do try it. After 3 whistles, my raw mangoes have been cooked well. It has been boiled. Now I'm going to peel off the skin of the mangoes, and it is very good for health too, as it's too hot. For this hot summer, this is the best recipe. So now I'm going to peel off the mangoes and take out the pulp. I have some pulp left into my skin of the mangoes, so I'm going to scoop it out with a spoon, and now I'm going to take out all the pulp from all the mangoes. After scooping out all the pulp from the mangoes, now I'm going to take a mixer jar or a blender. If you have, you can take that, and I'm going to pour this into the jar, and with it I'm going to add around about 1 cup of sugar. The sugar depends upon your taste. If your mango is too sour, then you can add more. I have used here 1 cup of sugar, and into it I'm going to add 1 green chili and 1 teaspoon of rock salt or black salt and few leaves of mint or pudina leaves. Into it I'm going to add, for essence, I'm going to add here raw mango essence. If you can easily find it in all the grocery shops, or you can add raw mangoes essence, or you can add any mango essence. For color, I'm going to use here 1 drop of gel green food color. It is optional. If you have, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. And I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. For 3 mangoes, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water and mix it well. For this, we need a smooth consistency and a thick one too. And I'm going to blend it again. And now I will take 1 kulfi mold. If you have, you can do it in the kulfi mold, or another method I'm going to show how you can do this without kulfi mold too. So now I will pour this. See, my consistency is smooth and a thick consistency but pourable. So now I'm going to pour this in the kulfi mold or the stand and cover it with a silver foil paper, because we don't want crystals form into our ice creams. So now I'm going to cut it with a knife, make a hole and press all the sticks into it. I'm going to add 1 or 2 ice cream sticks also to show you, and this will go into the freezer. And those who don't have molds, ice cream molds, then I'm going to show you can take a paper cup or a plastic disposable cups you have. You can take that, and just nothing to do, just pour it. Pour the mixture into it, and again cover it with silver foil paper and pop the sticks, ice cream sticks inside it, and freeze it. Cover it with silver foil paper to prevent from crystallizing. So now it will go into the freezer minimum 6 hours, or you can keep it, for better results, you can keep it overnight. After 6 hours, my ice creams have been formed, and see, beautiful color has come out. And now I'm going to take it out. Very simple. For this paper cup, you just need to cut one side of the paper cup, and easily you can demold it. See how beautifully it has been set, and it tastes yummy. Just believe me, try it once. It's very easy to make in affordable price. And now I'm going to demold the kulfi molds. So for this, I just need to place it in a bowl with 1 cup of normal water and rest it for about a minute, and then it will easily come out. See, hope you like the video, and please do subscribe the video And do not forget to follow my Facebook page. It's Hotki Bakes and MOHUA'S Kitchen. Bye bye. Take care.